Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sinkholes can be very destructive, but they are rarely deadly. An exception occurred in February 2013, when a sinkhole suddenly opened up under a bedroom in a home in Seffner, Florida, sending Jeffrey Bush, 37, tumbling to his death.
Take our lead.
Should you worry about sinkholes? Not necessarily, but it depends on where you live. Most sinkholes don't cause fatalities, but it is a possibility, especially if the collapse occurs directly underneath you without warning. Many injuries and fatalities occur when people accidentally drive into sinkholes in a road.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sinkholes are common where the rock below the land surface is limestone, carbonate rock, salt beds, or rocks that can naturally be dissolved by groundwater circulating through them. As the rock dissolves, spaces and caverns develop underground.
Take our lead.
Deaths, however, are very rare. Authorities believe a man near Tampa died Thursday when a sinkhole opened up under his house, swallowing the bed in which he was sleeping. He only recalls 2 other people who died because of a sinkhole in the 40 years he's been involved with the geological phenomenon.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best way to survive falling into a sinkhole is not to fall in one. The vegetation might wilt and die due to the sinkhole draining away water. If you notice these signs, find out if you live in an area that's susceptible to sinkholes. Ask a geologist or soil engineer if your house is at risk.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A sinkhole is an area of ground that has no natural external surface drainage. When it rains, the water stays inside the sinkhole and typically drains into the subsurface. Some are shaped like shallow bowls or saucers, whereas others have vertical walls. Some hold water and form natural ponds.
Let's help you make your mark.
The vegetation might wilt and die due to the sinkhole draining away water. If you notice these signs, find out if you live in an area that's susceptible to sinkholes. Ask a geologist or soil engineer if your house is at risk. If it is, a professional can inject grout into the hole to reinforce the foundation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.